anything else? Any other type of items that you don't have to, besides fresh fruits and vegetables that are whole and not sliced? I did have a question about frozen vegetables, though. Like a lot of the time, it looks like the broccoli isn't on the stem, but it's in the bag. Is that automatically kosher?
No. Especially broccoli. So I just want to say, whoever needs to go, there is no hard feeling. You can disconnect, bro. So just, but we need to answer these questions. So the problem with the frozen vegetables. Let's step back. So everything that grows from the ground is kosher automatically. So you don't have to check. Of course, like so sometimes they spray with all of these chemicals. You have to wash, like even apple. You have to wash. They put wax on it. Like you have to wash off this wax. Sometimes it's not kosher. Whatever they add to that, it's one thing. So fish, if it's fish has fins and scale, always kosher, right? If it's whole, if it was not cut in pieces, so it's always kosher. Ice cream, it's not. I never said that ice cream automatically kosher. So all of the milk products that when the milk was processed, you need a kosher stamp. So milk, like we said, if you don't have any other choice, like simple pure milk, like milk, without any like flavoring or stuff like that. So yeah, it's kosher. Like after the fact, so you can rely on this leniency. But other things like sour cream, cheese, ice cream, all of this cream cheese, they're not automatically kosher. I never said that.
I was asking, but just to clarify, you said that fish, even if it's in let's say it's sliced and it has scales or fins, it's like a salmon, like a portion of salmon. Is that kosher?
No. It's problem. I mean, maybe after the fact, it is kosher. But if you go to the fish store, fish market, wherever you go, just buy the whole fish and clean it with your own knife. That's it. It's the safest way to do that. So that's I think I said that's what I used to do, right? I would buy the whole salmon with any fish. I bought on the internet a scaler. That's many flexible heads. I don't know, like very cheap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it's done. You finish scaling, then you know how to cut. You watch YouTube video how to cut the fish, how to fillet the fish, whatever. You like in 5 minutes, 10 minutes after the third fish, you're going to be an expert. So that's what you can do. But half fish is questionable because even though you can cut the thin layer where the knife cut, but we try not to do it. So basically, because most likely the knives that they use are not kosher. For sure, the knife or whatever they used was not kosher. Let's put it this way. Understand? So, but today, if you go to any supermarket, like big supermarket, it's very hard not to find kosher food. If you milk with cheese is a different story. Let's put cheese aside. But cream cheese, the famous brand in US, Philadelphia cream cheese, it's kosher. Almost all of the flavors. I think all of the flavors are kosher, and it's top quality, and it's not that expensive. Cottage cheese, many of them are kosher. Many of them. Sour creams also. Why it should not be any issue. So especially when you go to the big supermarket, like a national brands, like a BJ's or Sam's Club, for sure, many things are kosher for sure. Okay. What else? Any other questions? Okay. So just so you know, if you have any doubts, something kosher, not kosher, you can always take picture, but not after you bought it and ate it. So before, and we can look it up and see if it's kosher or not kosher, if it has a kosher sign or not. Okay.